Welcome back, students. So this is the last video of the question paper, that is on constructions. So 23rd question I had left it. Draw a line segment of length 10 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 2:3. We have to divide it. The length is 10 centimeters. So I'll take the scale 10 centimeters. So you can take it 10 centimeters. Draw it. So if you take the length, we'll call it as a line segment having a length as AB. This 10 centimeters, we have to divide it in the ratio 2:3. That means, for example, if there are 10 chocolates, it should be distributed among 2 students in the ratio 2:3. That means in 10 chocolates, 2 parts must be got by one child and 3 parts must be got by another child. Means actually what happens there, 2 parts means 4 chocolates will be got by one child, 6 chocolates will be got by another child. So like that, 3 parts means that child will be getting the greater part. So in such a way we have to divide this 10 centimeters. For that, what you need to do here is take any acute angle at A. Okay, any acute angle, we are not going to measure it, less than 90 degrees, you know that. So if I take now what you will do, 3 parts, more one is 3. So we are going to take it as 3 parts. Yes, after drawing an acute angle, a line segment at A, a fixed radius you take it. Okay, so I have this compass here, my own compass. So fixed radius at A, draw an arc. With the same radius, from this point you draw another arc. We can call this as A1, this as A2. There are 3 means we need to. So same you can measure it. So from this again I am going to take. This is A3. Now from A3 you join to B. From A3 you join to B. So you will get this point. Now what you do, at A3 draw just to show an angle. How much is this? Like this you can draw any. Now what you do with the same radius at A2 also you draw this. Okay. Now measure this. How much is it? Measure this like this. Children, be careful. Measure this. Then same radius with the compass tip, that is this point as center, draw an arc like this. So when you draw an arc through that point, we got these 2 met. At that point, if you draw a line, you will get exactly the C, that is this is 2:3. That is the line segment AB 10 centimeters as divided into 2 parts, that is AC is to BC is equal to 2:3. So this is how we construct. This is 2 marks question, children. So 32nd question we had left it. Construct 2 tangents to a circle of radius 3 centimeters from a point 8 centimeters away from the center. So we need to construct 2 tangents. The circle of radius is 3 centimeters. You take the measurement. So I'll be taking 3 centimeters. So if I take 3 centimeters, my point here is A or O. If I hold it like this, 3 centimeters, so you can draw a circle. So the circle mine, the compass is not proper. So you can just have a look. If you take, this is my point, this is 3 centimeters. But the question is, from the center, there is a point, external point, which is 8 centimeters away. Here it is. So this is 8 centimeters away. We'll call this as O, this point as P. Now what you will do here is, the point is P, the center is O. So I'll just make it, the circle properly. You will get it. Now we need to construct the midpoint of OP. So you know how to construct the perpendicular bisector. Take more than half of OP, draw on either sides the arcs from O and also with the same radius from P. Now join these two arcs where we have constructed. You are going to get the midpoint, we call it as M. Now, if we measure, OM will be equal to PM. OM will be equal to PM. Then with M as center, either MP as radius or OM as radius, draw another circle. So, you can draw like this circle. And this circle cuts the previous circle, our original circle, at 2 points like this. So, we can call them as A and B. For to get the tangents, join AP and BP. So AP and BP are the two required tangents, and also they will be equal. AP will be equal to BP because tangents drawn from the external point are equal. You already proved it in theorem. So this is how we construct a tangents from an external point. So to get all these question paper videos, children, there will be a playlist. You can go through that. You will be getting continuously the question paper questions, the videos. You can understand them. So next, the question number 36. Construct a triangle with sides 4.5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Rough diagram if I draw ABC. So usually the middle value will take it here down 6 and one is 4.5, another one is 8 centimeters. Construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So the ratio given is 3 by 4. So first we will consider the triangle, given triangle, that is BC is equal to 6 centimeters. BC is 6 centimeters. We call it as BC. Then how much is AB is 4.5. I'll take it 4.5. I'll measure it and take it. So hold this. This comes the arc. AC is 8 centimeters. So it's little lengthy. 8 centimeters. You will get it here. Continue this now to get it properly. Yes. The triangle you will get as like this. And this is join AC also. This is A. Now draw an acute angle at B. Same like line segment as we had drawn. Acute angle you will draw. At this acute angle, it is 3 by 4. So you need to take 3 by 4 means the denominator. If the denominator is greater, then we are going to take 4. So same radius, 4 arcs, we are going to draw it now. So it is 1. Just wait, children. Radius is same, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after taking, actually how much do we need? So it is 3 we need, but what we have to do? 4 we have to take first. So draw the 4. Yes. So at this B1, now you can call it as B1, B2, B3, B4. If the given ratio is in this one, it is in improper fraction, then you will get the given triangle, the other triangle inside it. So join this now, B4 to C. Join B4 to C. After joining this, just draw an angle as I told you earlier. Here you draw an angle. So same radius what you have taken from B3 also, draw an angle. Then measure this, how much it will be. So that same from this point you draw it. Next join through this, you join like this. You will get the another one side. Then that is, you can call it as D. Now from C, at C also same way you draw By suitable radius, you draw an angle. Same like that only, same radius what you have drawn here. The same radius you draw another. From D, holding D, draw that arc. Then measure this, how much it is from this point to this. The same now, draw like this. Now from D, through that point, join this line now. You will get another triangle. If you call this as D, this will be E. So another triangle will be BDE. So if you measure, these two lines will be parallel, children, and these two lines will be parallel. We take corresponding angles. In the parallel lines, the corresponding angles will be equal. So with the help of those equal angles, we are going to draw the parallel lines. So we get the similar triangle. BDE is similar to ABC. You can take BC by BD, AC by DE, AB by BE. So you can prove that you will get the same values. So this is how, if you draw this much, you will be getting the 3 marks, children. So draw the correct measurements. And one more, the last question is the construction, it is OG. So children, next we have the last construction, that is OG construction, question number 30. During a medical checkup of 50 students of a class, their heights were recorded as follows. Draw a less than type OG for the given data. They have given less than 140 height in centimeters. So we can take it as class intervals. We'll write it in the form of class intervals. So it is less than 140, less than 145 means I'll begin with 135 to 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165 is the last. Then frequencies they have given, that is number of students. Directly they have given number of students cumulative frequency only. So 5, 10, then 15, 25, so 40, last it is, that is the total number of students is 50. It's given directly cumulative frequency only. So children, how to draw? You know that we are going to draw the graph only. This is y-axis. So this is our x-axis. We are going to draw like this, x dash x. Here we are going to take cumulative frequencies on the y-axis. On the x-axis, the upper limits of this class interval. So we can mark from. So usually when we start with 135 that, we will draw the zigzag here. So begin with 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165 is the last. So here it is up to 5 is there, 10, 15. You can just take like that only. This is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So you can also go for the 10, 20 also. 45, 50 I am taking. Already I have taken now. Now mark. For 140 it is 5. So mark a point. 145 it is, cumulative frequency is 10. So here it is. Then 150 it is 15. Just take like this. 155 it is 25. Comes here. So this is 25. Then 160 it is 40. It is 40 is here. 160. That means it is till here. Then 165 last it is 50. 165. Then go on joining through freehand curve. This you get it as a ogive, children. If you do this much here, you can write upper limits of class intervals. This is cumulative frequency. You will be getting 3 marks. So this we completed the question paper of the year 2022 April's question paper. So you will get all together in one link only. You can see them and study them, children. For that, you need to subscribe my channel. So first you do that. First you subscribe so that you can get all the videos.